Step 3, create a list, your most valuable asset. You know, each step that we take in the sequence here of the 8 steps comes from a very specific sequence. You know, we talked about first your dream. We talked about having the correct attitude. Well, we're now getting ready to go to work. We're now getting ready to create, if you will, this resource list from which we're going to help you develop your business. Now, there is nothing more important than this process of continuing to add names. And I'm going to guide you on how to do this in just a second. You're going to be able to go through the specific steps of the roadmap in step 3 and be able to look at that. But this is your most valuable asset. The people that you're thinking about, both from a product point of view and from an opportunity point of view, that you're going to be talking to. Now, often this is overlooked. You know, the old cliche is the things that are easy to do are also easy not to do. And many people say, you know what, I don't need to do this. You know, I can think of these people. I can keep them in my mind. But here's the thing. When you're in the process of creating these 2 lists that I'm going to give you in a moment, and keeping these 2 lists with you at all times, the principle is this, you know, what you focus on grows. So as you go through your normal day, whether you're going to work, you're going to school, you're helping out, you're volunteering, whatever you do, if these lists are with you all the time, in your car, in your office, wherever you might be, guess what? The focal point is you're going to constantly be thinking and zeroing in on the needs of people that you encounter, both physically and financially, every single day. So let me give you some key principles here in terms of making the list. First of all, do not prejudge. You know, the tendency is to try to make a decision in our own mind for people, and we'll show you where to go with those 2 lists in just a moment. But in general, do not prejudge. Remember also that this is a sorting process, not a convincing process. We're simply going to sort through people. We're going to offer to people based upon needs physically, based upon needs financially, and we're going to let them make that decision. Third principle here, think of everybody you know, limiting no one. You know, the process of prejudging and thinking, well, maybe not this guy, maybe not that gal. You never want to do that. You want to think of everyone you know. You never know who's going to succeed. As you talk to one person, remember the important principle here that you're going to add somebody else to that list. So here's an example. If your list is constantly staying the same, if you have 30 or 40 or 50 names on that list on a continuous basis, and every time you talk to someone, you add another name, what does that do for your confidence level? Well, your confidence level stays at an all-time high, as opposed to what? As opposed to a shrinking list, meaning a list that begins to diminish. You become more nervous, you become more apprehensive, uncertain about or worried about what if this guy or this gal doesn't accept the product, doesn't accept the opportunity. Very important in principle that you recognize as you talk to somebody and one name comes off that list, regardless of the consequence, you add another name to that list. Well, the contact list, in conclusion here, it's an ongoing process. Continually add names all the time. And guess what? Your confidence level, your, if you will, how good you feel about your business is going to continue to escalate. It's going to continue to move ahead on an everyday basis. So let's take a look at these 2 lists. Straight out of the workbook, let's take a look at the 2 lists that we want you to create. Now, there's 2 lists specifically. Number 1, what we call a product list, and number 2, what we call a business list. Let's talk about the product list. You know, this is the fun part. This is something that you can do on an everyday basis. Now, why is that? The reason is that the subject of health comes up all the time. You know, you go to work, you go to school, you're working out, wherever you may be. You know, there's constantly this process of people talking about how they feel, their energy level, aches and pains, situations that they have. We're going to break that down for you here in the next step in just a moment. But this is the fun part. This is something that you can do every single day. So what I want you to do is I want you to begin by prioritizing the top 20 people that you know of that have a health challenge. Top 20 people that would want to feel better. Top 20 people you know that are suffering in some form or fashion. Because we're going to teach you how to allow them to make the choice of being able to experience the Vima Nutrition Program and what it can do for their health. Now, the second list is a business list, and this is a list of what we call key influential people. I want you to begin to think about the people that you would love to be in business with, to think about influencers, think about people with high credibility, people that are self-starters, people that are positive, people that you love working with. This is your dream list. I mean, you have the opportunity here to construct or to build in your company an organization of the people that you choose to be around. And this second list, this business list, we want you to prioritize this list as well. Put up there the top 5 people that here's the key phrase, that have a desire for change in their life. Now, remember, our job is just to sort through. Our job with you is to help you sort through these 2 lists. And we're going to allow both the product and the opportunity to allow them to make that decision as to which way they want to go. So in summary, let's get ready to work. Our dreams are in place, okay? You have clarity about what it is you want to achieve, number 1. Number 2, we're choosing the right attitude. We're recognizing that every day we're going to make a choice to be positive. Number 3, we've got our resource list, both our product list and our business list. It's now time to go to work.